Jayesh Mehta, Vice Chairman and CEO of DSP Finance Johnson, for a quick perspective there. Jayesh, was this on anticipated lines, the policy hawkishness from the Fed and the resultant impact on the dollar strength and therefore the rupee and the other emerging market currency weakness?
Yeah, absolutely. I think the hawkishness of Fed has really given a little bit more strengthening of dollar versus other currencies. In fact, today morning, one was looking at slightly appreciation of rupee because of the reports on the gold import and other stuff. But that kind of softened the depreciation here. But yeah, it was a surprise on the hawkishness, and that's what the reminder to people.
So from that, Jayesh, and good morning, Tamanna here, what I glean is that this is a bit of a knee-jerk reaction. Do you expect dollar rupee to settle? Or are you seeing more pain since this uncertainty that has come across after the Fed meet?
It will really depend on U.S. thing, but more importantly, I think you see at this juncture, just a very long shot thought, right? At this juncture, nobody is really counting emerging market and all that. It's all about U.S., right? And within the G7 currencies or G3 currencies, G7 currency, dollar index currency, if you really look at the two of the major economies are really weak, Europe and UK, right? So from that, and Japan is also kind of getting weaker. So kind of, therefore it is giving the dollar index a very good strength. But, and right now at this juncture, because of whatever it is, everything is all US, no emerging market. But then at some point of time, maybe post January 20th or maybe February or so, people will start realizing flows will come to emerging market, and that should change the situation. But yeah, it's all about US till January, or unless people correct in midway through that we overdone it.
Okay, so up till January, how low is low? Tough question, Jayesh, but 85 we have crossed. Do you see it going further?
We look at all this as benchmark, right? Like low, it doesn't matter. It is on the previous day, how low it is okay. 10 paisa, maybe 11 paisa, it's okay. So, but yeah, for most of us, you feel, oh, it's benchmark change for 84.95 to 85.05. But if it would have been same 84.85 to 84.95, nobody would have bothered, right? So it's more of that sort. So I would not look at that number, really speaking. But yeah, I don't think we are going to. Doesn't look like that we're going to go to 86 or 85.50 very soon or so, unless the other factor, right? So it's like one has to look at it, take cognizance of it once the gold number get corrected. Secondly, our biggest thing was crude. That is supporting us, but then we have other things like tourism and education and all that outflows happening are also getting increasingly bigger. So we have to really look at it on our foreign outflows.
Absolutely. I mean, for anyone who's planning to travel abroad and right now and have not shored up the dollars that they have to buy, this is a bad time. For those sending their kids abroad, also a tough time. But thank you so much, Jayesh, for speaking with us this morning.